Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to day 2 of our last week here before winter break. And our focus today is on poetry. All right, we're still connecting to our theme on how do laws change. Okay, but we're going to look at a different genre of writing. All right, so we're in our mentor text. Okay, it looks like this, our mentor text. And we're on page 22 and 23. Okay, and today's piece of writing is written by Emma Lascaris. It says Emma Lascaris was born in 1849 to 1887. She was a writer and an activist. I'm wondering if you know what that word activist means. Okay. You would be right if you said it's someone that stands up for something or is fighting for a right that we don't have yet. Okay, but she was a writer and an activist. Many of her poems deal with the hopes and struggles of immigrants who came to the United States during the 19th century. Though the new Colossus did not attract much attention during Lascaris's lifetime, in 1903 the poem was engraved on a bronze plaque which was placed inside the Statue of Liberty's pedestal. All right, so it's something that you can still see today in the statue or on the pedestal of the Statue of Liberty. And remember, the pedestal would be what she's standing on here. All right, so we're going to have some fun with this. First, I'm going to invite you to read along with me. And then I am going to encourage you to read this poem 2 or 3 times. See if you can decide what the feeling of the poem is or what the message is. Okay, so it's called The New Colossus. Emma Lascaris wrote the following poem as a part of a fundraiser to help the city of New York pay for the construction of the pedestal of the Statue of Liberty. It was first read in 1883, 3 years before the Statue of Liberty was completed. So, not like the brazen giant of Greek fame, with conquering limbs astride from land to land. Here at our sea-washed sunset gates shall stand a mighty woman with a torch, whose flame is the imprisoned lightning, and her name Mother of Exiles. From her beacon hand glows world-wide welcome. Her mild eyes command the air bridge harbor that twin cities frame. Keep ancient lands your storied pomp, cries she with silent lips. Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free. The wretched refuse, or the wretched refuge of your teeming shore. Send these, the homeless, tempest-tossed to me. I lift my lamp beside the golden door. I did catch myself make a mistake there. I want to guide your eyes back 3 sentences from the end. It says, the wretched refuse. Okay, that word refuse. Okay, wretched refuse. Okay, those are people that are not welcome in other places. The wretched refuse of your teeming shore. All right. Now that's a good example of why reading this more than one time, okay, and trying to get the flow of this poetry. And remember, poetry is based on emotion. So even though sometimes the words might not give you a clear picture, do they paint a feeling for you. Right? So that's your job today, is read through this, practice your fluency, practice your expression, and then sit back and think about it for a moment. What does this poem mean to you?